Just because of this decision which I took, I was not able to sleep tonight. I was wide awake when everyone else was sleeping, and this was quite irritating for me as well. I was not able to sleep properly, I was not able to concentrate on my work as well. Namaste, everybody. This is Kalyani, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you the worst thing I could ever do to myself, and I would always, this is the worst, so I can never repeat it ever again. If I'm gonna repeat it, that means I am a donkey. Okay, so let's start from the story. I'll make you understand why I came to this decision. Okay, that's really good friend of mine. She lives in Delhi, and she was my friend. Okay, she's not my friend anymore. We are strangers. She was my friend. Okay, and she is really having a good lifestyle there, and she suggested me to have to do pampering and all stuff, and she just said one sentence and that really touched my heart, and it was quite derogatory, insulting, and that was like, your hair looks like broom. I was like, oh my god, what's that? My hair, I love my hair. But then I was like, I'm watching other Instagram influencers, and everyone has pretty hair, no frizz and all. Earlier my hair had frizz, had huge volume, had frizz, and they were quite, difficult to manage for me to handle them and all. It was really quite time taking. So I decided to straighten my hair. I decided to straighten my hair. And like literally because of that, I did it in March, April 2025. And because of that, I've got really bad issues. Hair fall, dandruff, scalp irritation. So instead of that, I would really like you, girly pop, or anyone who is doing all this chemical treatment, not to do it. Do spa. That's so amazing because that's gonna nourish your skin. Make sure that your hair's texture is really enhanced, because what happens is when you do the chemical treatment, it's gonna deteriorate the texture of your hair, and trust me, you will face the consequences really badly. So do spa, do oiling, do nice steam or something, but don't do chemical treatment, the ironing and all. I just thought I'll do it one time, because every time you straighten your hair whenever you want, I was like, okay, I'll do it one time and damage it once a year, but I'll take care of my hair rest of the months of the year, because when you do this chemical treatment, this is going to last for about 12 months, 13 months, 14 months. For me, it lasted really long, and I did it, and now also I'm literally regretting God to give me my hair back. This was the worst decision, because I was always scratching my hair, head, scalp, because it felt always scratchy, irritated. Because you know what? Because of this, I got dandruff also. I don't know. I never had the dandruff. I never have had a dandruff, and because of this treatment which I did was blue tox or something, I had to face dandruff, and because of that I used to feel itchy. So you know what, because of this treatment which I did, I changed my shampoo to sulfate free, really good shampoo, really expensive. I did that, but then also nothing was working out, and my scalp felt itchy, and I was always scratching. This is so pathetic, so pathetic, gibberish it is. So I would really not like you to do it. Do something good for your hair, do pampering, but make sure that it doesn't deteriorate the texture and the health of your scalp. Do apply mask at your home, that's amazing. Spa, amazing. Oiling and all, amazing, but I would not do chemical treatment ever again. Yeah, that's it. That was the worst decision of my life. I wouldn't have done it or taken any worse thing, every worse decision in my life than this I have taken. Putting it was like literally draining the money down to the gutter. That's all for the video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And guys, I really want to grow on my Instagram too. I'm literally wanting to complete at least 50,000 followers on Instagram. So yeah, that's my Instagram ID. Don't forget to follow. I would really like you following me there, because I'm a little more, I should say, a little more active on that platform, then I'm here. So yeah, I would really like if you follow me there and also subscribe if you are new here. You're most welcome. This is me, Kalyani Mede, signing off for now. Lots of love. Keep loving yourself. Take care of yourself. Don't do anything wrong. Do a little bit of deep research in whatever things that you're doing with yourself. Bye. Lots of love.